Thank you for giving so much time to help others and inspiring us to do the same. Thank you for your encouragement to do our best and to do our duty. Thank you for showing us the way by being our shining light. We'll never forget you and promise to carry on your good work by showing kindness in all we do and supporting our communities. Thank you for being our Queen, our patron, and a friend to Scouts everywhere.
And what a start to this vlog. Thank you very much to Emily Cross from 2nd Wimborne Scout Group and that amazing Scout poem. What a great way to start this vlog. Now, this is a special tribute vlog. I wasn't going to plan on posting this, but unfortunately, due to the sad news of the Queen and her passing, I thought I'd dedicate this vlog to Her Majesty. And it's all about her service to Scouting. So Queen Elizabeth II was well known in Scouting. She was the patron of Scouting. She was respected as a high figure in Scouting, and she's going to be sadly missed. But today, I want to say thank you to Queen Elizabeth II. So Queen Elizabeth II was a guide herself. She joined in 1937 with her sister, Princess Margaret, who joined as a Brownie. In 1952, Her Majesty the Queen visited the Queen Scouts in Windsor Castle and took her first ever salute from them. She reviewed them and said, "You all look very fine and smart." In 1953, the UK Scouts assisted with the crowds at the coronation of Her Majesty the Queen. 1961, Baden-Powell House in South Kensington, London, was officially opened by Her Majesty the Queen. 1972, Her Majesty the Queen and the Duke of Edinburgh came to celebrate the 40th anniversary of Ralph Reeder's gang show. And in 1975, the Duke of Kent is appointed the Honorary President of Scouts UK by the Queen herself. In 1976, the Queen formally opens Baden-Powell House as the headquarters of Scouting UK. In 1995, the Queen visits Gilwell Park to officially open it after refurbishment and the training centre. In 2002, Queen Scouts assist at the lying-in state of Queen Elizabeth, the Queen Mother. 2007, the Queen reviews the Queen Scouts Parade as Scouts celebrate their centenary. So there's just a few things in the timeline of what Her Majesty the Queen has done for Scouting UK. Just a few things. She's appeared in many things. And I thought those things in the timeline are really important for Scouting UK and the connection of Her Majesty the Queen. Now, as we record this vlog, we've heard the sad news of Queen Elizabeth II passing and sadly dying. She was the patron of Scouting UK, and now we have a new patron, King Charles III. He will take the place of his mother as the patron of Scouting UK, and now he will take that role as patron of Scout UK. Lots of things are going to change. We know that. You know, in the UK, we've got to change things like stamps and coins and money. Lots of things are going to change. And in Scouting UK, we're going to change as well. We're going to incorporate the new king, King Charles III. Our promise will change. We'll do our duty to God and to the king. Queen Scouts, that's still going to be around. But now we'll have King Scouts. And if you're working towards your Queen Scout award while watching this, you will be honoured with the Queen Scout. But if you start now, you're going to be working towards your King Scout award. Now, the first person to hold both Queen and King Guide award back in 1980 goes to Susan Parker of the 1st Brantford Panthers. You got that in 1980, both King and Queen Scout award. And maybe you get that award of both King and Queen Scout award. What a privilege that will be. So, Mom, Queen Elizabeth II, thank you for what you've done for our service. Now, if you're watching this and you're a royalist or you're against Her Majesty and you're against the royal family, just show some sign of respect. The lady did well. She looked after us. She looked after our country. And Queen Elizabeth II, it's been an honour to have you as our Queen. Rest in peace, Mom. Sleep well. Whew. That was a tough one.